Your inbox within Ramp is your shortcut to all pending action items needed for your direct reports. You can use this page to instantly approve card requests to issue spend, review transactions so they meet submission policy requirements, and approve reimbursement requests. At the top of the Transactions page, you'll notice a checkbox to select all items on that page, or you can select multiple items by clicking the checkbox to the left of the item's name and description. This is where you are reviewing each charge to ensure a few things. Is this charge a compliant corporate card purchase? And has a receipt or proper coding been provided based on your team's submission policy requirements? You have the ability to edit and adjust any charge you are reviewing on this page to ensure your team stays within policy. The search and filter options above refine what you're looking at and helps when reviewing items in bulk. This allows you to filter by cardholder name, date range, dollar amount, submission policy status, or receipt status. You will always see how many items in each section require your review by the number reflected to the right of the section.